Hello everyone, dear students, I am your teacher Avinash sir. Today we are going to learn second chapter of ninth standard English, that is Sound of Music. I hope you all people are doing very well, staying at home and taking care of yourself. So let's start the topic. First of all, I will tell you general things about this year topic. What is this topic? This topic is a biography of two persons. This lesson is divided into two parts. First part is of Evelyn Glennie's biography, and second part is Ustad Bismillah Khan's biography. So, biography, what is meant by biography? It is account or information about a person which is written by other person is called biography. So Evelyn's one interview was taken there here, and her life's complete information is written in this lesson through that interview. The picture of the lady is of Evelyn Glennie's picture, who is a Scottish percussionist. Percussionist means what? The person who is able to play a different kind of or various musical instruments, that person is called percussionist. Then you may get question here, what is different between this girl and other persons, because there are several persons in the world who are playing different musical instruments. Then why we are learning this girl or Evelyn's only story there here? A difference or one reason is there. This girl can't listen anything. Evelyn can't listen anything, but still she is able to play near about 1000 instruments. More than 1000 instruments we can call that here. She is able to play. Here you will find on the screen whichever the awards are there. I am unable to read all these awards also. That much awards this girl has won. Whatever the awards she has won, if any other person wanted to win these awards, so he need to spend double of the age of Evelyn. Evelyn Glennie is a Scottish percussionist, as I already told you. The heading of the first part is Evelyn Glennie listens to sound without hearing it. See the contrast, listens to sound without hearing it. We may get question, how a person who is not able to hear anything can listen? We listen the sound by ear, but if here one deaf person is there, how she is going to listen? She listen all music or musical notes here through her body. She is being able to feel the sound what we are listening. We listen the sound, and she opened her body and she made her body, or she trained her body to feel the music and feel the sound vibration. Are you getting? So we are going to start this year chapter. This lesson or story of Evelyn motivates not only handicapped person, but everybody she is motivating. Just think, we are having all things there here, we are fit in our body, but still are we being able to achieve the goals of our life? We are giving here several reasons, like I don't have such kind of this facility, that facility, that's why, or due to this one I am not getting good score. Such kind of several reasons we give there here. Such kind of several reasons we give there here. But Evelyn, though she was deaf there here completely, she has not taken any reason or excuse by saying she is a deaf girl. She has taken this deafness as a challenge, and then she started to learn music and achieved or carved her name into the history of music. Just see, we will start the chapter. First of all, one opinion is there in the before you read. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. So, right, what is the opinion there here? Here it is said the God has taken every means here hearing power of Evelyn, but he has given something extraordinary or special thing to Evelyn. What was that? What we listen, she is being able to feel it, and more deeply than any of us. That's why this girl became that much capable to make her audience enjoy what she is feeling through the music. Start the chapter, we will start there here. Line by line we can't go, so general story of the lesson I am telling you. Here when she was of only 17 year or near about 17 year, not completed 17 years also, that time she was waiting on the underground train platform. She was going somewhere, and when the train was coming to the platform, she was not able to listen sound, but she was getting the vibration of the approaching train. This girl was little bit nervous as well as excited also, not due to the train was coming towards her, but she was happy, or she was nervous and excited as she got the first chance, or her first performance was there into the prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London. So, music here in London, this year academy was made, which where getting chance to perform the music was not common for everyone. She was belonging to here Scotland still, and even she was deaf girl here, but still she got the chance to perform in this academy. That's why she was nervous as well as excited. Evelyn was not by birth deaf. She was not by birth deaf. She was losing. She lost her hearing gradually. Her mother told one story when she was of 8 year. When Evelyn was of 8 year, that time she was waiting for piano playing turn, and these people announced her name, but she was not able to listen. She didn't listen anything, or she didn't responded these people. That time first of all her mother thought she is having some problem, but Evelyn, she managed the situation. Not only that time, afterwards also, so for some years she managed the situation. She didn't reveal her problem to her friends. But when she was of 11 years old, her headmistress called or requested her parents. Why? Because she lost her marks deteriorated. That's why headmistress called her parents and told them to take her to specialist. So when they went to the specialist, that time the doctor or physician told her and even her parents that she is losing her listening capacity due to nerve damage. A nerve was damaged there here, and that's why she is going to lose complete listening capacity, and she will be deaf. When they listen all thing, Evelyn as well as her parents complete, they saw there here their future became here dark one, or it became black. Your blackness came in front of the eyes of Evelyn also. But Evelyn was a good fighter there here. She didn't give up. She didn't give up. She thought and she determined to lead her normal life. She wanted to lead a normal life, and she wanted to follow her fond to learn music there here. One day she saw one girl was playing music. One girl was playing there here music. She saw one girl was playing xylophone, and she wanted to play this year xylophone. But as she became here deaf, so the teachers also, the people, they thought how she will be able to play xylophone. and her teachers discouraged her from this one. But there was one percussionist, his name was Ron Forbes. He spotted her potentiality. He spotted this girl can do something there, a better one. And what she said, what he said there here, he said, Ron Forbes, he told to Evelyn that she can do there here. He encouraged her and he has taken two drums there here, two large drums he has taken, and he advised Evelyn not to listen by her ears but to feel the music. He told her to feel the music there here, and he started to play drum. So, after some time, what happened here? Evelyn became able to feel the sound there here. She thought there here from upper side of the west, she was being able to feel higher drum there here. She felt there here higher drum from west up and lower drum from the west down there here. So, Forbes repeated the exercise. This man, he repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She come to know this is a musical different notes she was being able to feel by different parts of her body. And I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. From that time, she didn't stop there here. She never looked back there here. She opened her body, and from her through her body, different notes of music she started to feel. She was feeling there here from different parts of the body, that this and that sound she is feeling from that part of the body. She was feeling sounds and vibration of the music, and she said the rest was sheer determination and hard work. The rest, what she need to do afterwards, need to do the hard work also and keep on the determination to achieve success there here. From that time, she never looked back. She toured complete United Kingdom with a youth orchestra there here, and she was she was making any all musical programs also. She was she was arranging musical concerts there here. First of all, she was part of the orchestra. Afterwards, she started to do solo performances also, and through her story, she through her work and hard work, she mesmerized the world. She, at the age of 16, she decided to learn music, and what she did here, she gave audition in Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of academy. Just see here, she is a deaf girl. She wanted to take part or she into Royal Academy, and she has given their exam. She scored highest marks in the history of the academy. She didn't get any kind of the concern or any kind of the excuses due to her deafness, but she was achieving great success through her determination and hard work. She she was first of all the part of orchestral work. Then afterwards, she started to do solo performances. At the end of her 3-year course, she had captured most of the top awards. While getting only, this girl seeked or earned all musical awards there here. She had captured most of the top awards in the music field. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Just think, just see here, as a common person, when we get here 2% also extra or more than our last performances, 2% percentage or 5%, we do improvement. What we do? We tell to our friends also, relatives also, no, this time I have done lot hard work, isn't it? We show this year our work as very extra one. We don't show here common thing, isn't it? But where this girl, she didn't have any kind of heroic achievement like a feeling there here. What she said there here, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. She said, if you do work hard there here and you know what or to which way you are going and where you are going to reach, if your determination is clear, definitely you will achieve it. You will achieve it. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. And she got right to the top, the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some 1,000 instruments and hectic international schedule. Just see, she reached on the top of the music or percussionist field. She became multi-percussionist. Not only percussionist, but she became a multi-percussionist. Near about here 1,000 instruments, she got mastery over them. And that also, she didn't spend complete time for the study only. She was doing orchestral work also. She was touring United Kingdoms also, different parts she was going there. She was joining concerts also, and orchestras also, stage shows were there. With such kind of international schedule, she got this year music or mastery over different instruments. It is intriguing to which Evelyn functions so effortlessly without hearing. It became very curious. It is surprising to everyone how this girl got such a great success without listening it, because music's funda, what we can call that here, music's basic thing is there. You need to listen the music, isn't it? First of all, you need to listen the note, but she was feeling the note and then afterwards she was producing. Men with what happened here, this reporter was taking her report, and all information what we are learning in this lesson is given by a reporter there here. When he asked about who is giving trouble or what means how you are managing to answer my question, what she said there here, she said, men with bushy beards give me trouble. Men with bushy beards give me trouble. And then she laughed there here. Why? When bushy beard is there here, completely bushy beard, mustaches are there, so she is not able to see lip reading. She is not able to see lip reading there here. So what is she saying there here? Whenever anybody is talking to her, she used to listen, or she used to see the lip reading there here. Not only lip reading, what she said there here, complete face she watches there here, especially eyes. Our eyes expresses what we feel or what we wanted to speak more better than our words. That's why Evelyn is observing the next person's here face, eyes, lips, everything, and she was being able to listen everything. She says how she is being able to talk very fluently, flawlessly. She said, because till her 11 years she was able to listen everything. What is there here? Those people who are deaf, definitely they are dumb also. By birth, those who are deaf, they are dumb also, because they never learn any word. That's why they can't produce any words also. That's why here reporter also got question there here, how she is being able to speak flawlessly. She said till the age of 11 she was able to listen everything. That's why she can talk also there here. But this clarification didn't explain that how she managed to learn French language, and she got basic knowledge of Japanese language also. As for music, she explains it pours in through every part of her body. She said that here this music is poured in my body. You will find that here complete it tingles in her skin. Tingles means pinches, or here she feels her skin is also, whenever she is she listens any musical note, she feels that here her skin, from inside the skin something is pinching her, something is here piercing their hair. Even she is wanted to play xylophone, that time also she thought from the toes of her finger complete music is coming out. She can sense the sound passing up the stick into her finger tips there here. By leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonance flowing into her body. Whenever she listen, or when somebody is playing the drum there here, the resonance of here complete drum or the sound of this drum moves into her entire body. She removes her slippers or chappals there here whenever she was going on wooden platform. Why? To get the sound and vibration pass through her bare feet up to her legs. Even till in 1991 she was presented, or she got one award of Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. She got there here in 1991. Here one master percussionist was there, his name was James Blade. What he said, as whatever that you have read into before read, this quotation was given by here percussionist James Blade. What he said, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. What happened? Whatever the God has taken her hearing capacity, but the God has gifted her something there here which is extraordinary and different than anyone, that she is able to feel the music which we can't feel. Far more deeper than us, she is able to feel the music. That's why she can express the music also so beautifully. If you have seen Shankar Mahadevan or Bhimsen Joshi's songs there here, there also songs you will find that heavenly touch we will get there here. Because these people also first of all they feel the music and then they sing from bottom of their heart, and then we will also feel they are taking us towards another world, isn't it? This music transcends human being from this mortal to immortal if the next person or the one who is playing the music is a real learner there here. Evelyn was a fighter. She positively taken her challenge of life and she proved herself far better than a normal person there here. Evelyn confessed that she is something of workaholic. She said, how she got the success? As I am workaholic. Workaholic means what? One who loves to do the work, so that person is called workaholic. What she said, I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians. In music, we feel the classical artists, they need to do lot hard work. What she said there here, I had to work harder than the classical musicians, but the rewards, whichever the rewards she got there here, that are far or more than her effort, she says there here. But if we are there here, what we feel, whatever we are getting any award or prize, what we say, no, I have done lot hard work, that's why I got this year award. But what she said, I did hard work, but these prizes are more than the hard work which I have done. Apart from the regular concerts, this Evelyn, what she did here, she has given she has done free concerts also into prisons as well as in the hospitals also she done free concerts. When any young musicians classes are there, she has given priority to the young musicians classes also. One deaf persons here, mother may be there here, no, see, Anne Richlin of Beethoven Fund. She was that running Beethoven Fund there here for deaf children. This Anne Richlin, what she said here, she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. She said, Anne Richlin, she said, this Evelyn is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they can't go. When deaf children see Evelyn, they feel Evelyn has achieved that much here success. So, these other deaf children also feel if Evelyn can do, then we also. So, Evelyn became a one motivation for deaf children, not only for the deaf children, but other handicapped always, as well as she became inspiration or motivation for us also. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Whatever she has achieved, it will take for a normal person double than her age to achieve there here. She has brought percussion to the front of orchestra. She was doing the percussion there here, and she brought the percussion to the front. She was a part of the orchestra. Afterwards, she started to lead the orchestra there here and demonstrated that it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. She became one inspiration for the handicapped people there here. She became motivation for handicapped people who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. Not only she became a role model for handicapped or other people, but she has given pleasure to the millions. How? By through her music. I request you after this video also, if you got chance, just see any Evelyn Glennie's videos are there. So you see these videos, you will come to know how this lady, how this girl beautifully she is playing different kind of the musical instruments. She, whatever the buckets are there, drums are there, everything she plays very masterly there here. When we listen this year, we will see what kind of music is this one. This lesson was written by Deborah Cowley. Here Deborah Cowley, he is a reporter there here, and he has given complete information about Evelyn's life. This lesson is a motivation for us also. We need to ask question to ourselves, what is lacking in us, isn't it? Evelyn was having a problem, a physical problem was there, she was not able to listen, still she achieved that much success. And what about us? With this question, I will end this first part there here. I will request you to write question answers of the first part, and second part I will display or make soon there here. Thank you. Have a nice day.